Google AI Studio versus Google Antigravity. Choosing the right AI tool can completely change how you develop and deploy AI models without complicated setups. Both offer powerful features but serve different needs. Google AI Studio and Google Antigravity are two AI platforms designed to accelerate machine learning workflows. The core difference lies in AI Studio's focus on user-friendly model building, while Antigravity emphasizes scalable AI infrastructure and deployment. Google AI Studio is a comprehensive AI development environment that simplifies building, training, and testing machine learning models. It offers an intuitive interface and integrates seamlessly with Google Cloud services, enabling users to access powerful compute resources easily. The platform supports popular frameworks and provides pre-built templates to speed up experimentation. Its strengths include ease of use, strong collaboration tools, and real-time debugging features. However, it may have limitations for highly customized or large-scale production deployments, as it focuses more on prototyping and development. Ideal users are data scientists, AI researchers, and developers looking for a streamlined, integrated workspace to quickly iterate on models without managing complex infrastructure. Google Antigravity is a robust AI infrastructure platform designed to facilitate the deployment, scaling, and management of AI models in production environments. It provides advanced orchestration tools, automated resource allocation, and seamless integration with Kubernetes and other cloud-native technologies. Antigravity excels in handling high-demand workloads and offers strong support for distributed training and inference. Its strengths lie in scalability, reliability, and operational control over AI pipelines. However, it requires more technical expertise to configure and manage compared to AI Studio. This platform is best suited for enterprises and teams focused on deploying AI at scale, ensuring uptime, and optimizing resource usage in complex production scenarios. Comparing Google AI Studio and Google Antigravity highlights a balance between ease of development and operational scalability. AI Studio is ideal for fast prototyping, collaborative experimentation, and model iteration with minimal setup. It works well for small to medium projects and teams prioritizing user experience. Antigravity, on the other hand, shines when models need to be deployed reliably at scale, handling complex workflows and high traffic. It demands more technical knowledge but delivers superior control over infrastructure and performance. For example, startups or research teams may prefer AI Studio for agility, while large companies with production AI services benefit from Antigravity's robust deployment features. Choose Google AI Studio if you want a user-friendly platform focused on rapid model development and experimentation without managing complex infrastructure. Opt for Google Antigravity when your priority is scalable, reliable AI deployment in production with advanced orchestration. Both platforms excel in their areas, so aligning your choice with project needs ensures the best AI development and operational experience.